Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do an unboxing today and then we'll show the before and after on where they're going to get installed. We have some 4-foot linear LED commercial fixtures that are going to get installed into a client's reception area tomorrow, and I want to do an unboxing before we put them in. Let's get started. Here's what we got today. It is a 4-foot linear fixture that hangs down off of 2 aircraft suspension cables. And just packing material. This is what you're really looking for. I don't know what that was. Just a little plate. But here's what we got. So this is in black. These are also available in white. But we've got a 4-foot linear fixture. These are by Stanpro lighting. And that's what you get in the box with the light fixture itself. This is the top. Nice black finish. Your light shines down out of the bottom. And you're ready to go. Then we just hook up to it. But so this would hang down in place like so, with your suspension cables on it. Now let's get it hooked up and powered up, and let's see what it looks like. What is in here? Okay, good. So, as you can see, our power wire is tucked inside the box here, or inside the junction box. And here's what we got. We got our 0 to 10 volt dimming if required. We're not using it. Then we have a ground and our hot and our neutral. In the box here we will have our connector to go through there, I'm sure of. So this is all of our extra parts, Murex, cables, strain relief, everything like that is all included in our canopy kit. So to test this out, we're going to take this cord and we are just going to splice it onto my testing spot here. Green to green, white to white, black to black. Nice and simple. Just match your colors. And we'll just let that hang off of there. Let's turn this onto its side. That way we can see. We've got a nice plug this guy in here. And look how bright that is. So it's 4000K. A nice white. And we're gonna hang down, there's 5 of these going in their foyer. It's gonna look really good. But that's what we got. I'm going to throw some before and after photos in, as well as a video of the after. And I think they're going to be really happy with it. And we're going to have 5 of those in a space a little bit bigger than what our warehouse is here. So it's gonna really brighten up their space. It's gonna be 5 of those total in the foyer, and we're going to really brighten up their space and really modernize it. Light fixtures alone are a great way to modernize a space, and we'll show you guys how it turns out like that